What's going on, guys? Holzer Productions here. This is Jam Week 191, and we're going to be playing the last two cash jams. So I've already done two cash jam videos for this week, but for some reason there's a stupid glitch or something, and there's two cash jam tracks from last week. So yeah, I'm going to be playing them, and hopefully I don't use too much on them, but I'm going to be a bit rusty on them because they were last week's tracks. So yeah, we're just going to see what we can do on them, but I've really got to be careful because I've only got 8% left, as you guys could see here. So I'm in low battery mode, so that's why the screen's a bit dimmed down. So hopefully you guys don't mind that. I can't do much about that, otherwise it's going to go flat. But yes, so these are the top three guys at the moment. So we've got Caden 32, Ash 568, and then I don't know what this guy's name is, My HR. With a 35.474. So this is their run here. So this is the top guys in platinum, and can't remember what this track was called actually, but this is I think this was the first track last week, maybe the second track. So yeah, this is the top guys in platinum. And this is real money, by the way, guys. So every retry is 20 cents out of my own money. So yeah, you really got to try and get a nice run and just hope you don't use too much money. So watch this first guy. So he nails this last section, so it's going to be really hard to beat him with that last section unless I've got a bit of a lead on him. So that's the top guys there. I'm just going to check the battery. So still got 8% left. Alright, so we're going to get straight into this. Check the times at 12 o'clock. Alright, so we're going to get straight into this, yeah, see what we can do. Hopefully the phone doesn't go flat, and hopefully I can get in first spot pretty quick. And by the way, like, the guys I'm versing here are, they're like way, their times are way like behind the leaders, so don't judge these guys. Well, don't think these guys have a fast time. No offense to these guys, but they're just like, these guys are like a fair way behind. So yeah, they're not top guys. There we go, that was a nice grab. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going to happen with these cash jam because the thing is, if they do reset it after the cash jam and we don't get our money that we've won, then oh, that was a nice grub. But yeah, we still get our money back that we've used. So I'm hoping they don't reset it, but you never know. They probably will. That was a terrible option there. It's a really slow line. Please, if you haven't already, go and check out the other cash jam videos because they were intense. Like, I played so terrible on both of them, but I'm not going to spoil anything, so you got to go and watch them. Let's just say it was really hard though, really, really hard cash jams. Like, the guys I was versing, they had pretty solid times, so just keep that in mind. So far, I'm not really doing too good on this track. This is terrible. Jeez, this is so bad. This is what cash jam makes me do. Like, I just play so shit in cash jam. This is just terrible. Here we go though. This is a good run if I can pull this off. Nice scrub here. Okay, this is a solid start. So see if we can scrub this and then get the scrub here. Hopefully. Not really, but we'll take it. It's not too bad. Try not to mess this bit up here. And what did I do? I messed it up so bad. Look at that. I lost so much time. Man, I'm going to be annoyed if that could have been first. Bugger. That sucks. What? That can't be first. Are you joking? That just can't be first. What? Okay, guys, that's first with the time of 34.811. So I think when I played this track last week or whenever the jam was, I think my best time was a 34.045. So it was like almost a whole second off what I've got now. But I don't know about that. I really think if I leave that there, there's like 4 hours of cash jam left, so I'm kind of too scared to leave that there. So I really just got to, at least I'll be versing the top guys now, but even though I'm first, I've really got to just get a better time, because that's just not going to, I don't reckon that's going to do it. That's just too close to, it's just too close for me to leave, so we're going to keep going and just see if I can get a better time. But man, that could have been almost a crazy time. I don't know how I managed to mess up that last bit, but I was just so unlucky. There we go, nice scrub. And then I ruin it with that stupid whatever I did there. Whew, jeez, nerves are starting to get to me now. This is bad. Missed them scrubs back there, so that was shocking. I think that's if I get that scrub there, that's what's going to win this track for me. So, and if I do that right there, that's what's going to win it too. So hopefully I can keep this run going. That was a crazy run. Apart from that first section, that was a crazy run. Hopefully it's going to be first, but hopefully it's a better time. So right now it's saying reporting, so it just means that it's given it a chance to look up the score. We've got 3% left, so that's not good. It's really not good at all. Let's go back into it, because you guys can't see this on the you guys can't see this on the screen recorder, but okay, so still at a 34.811, so it's still not where I want to be. I'm first, but it's not going to hold up. I've got to get a low 34. There we go, that was a nice start. Sucks, I just missed that scrub there though. Got that pretty clean there. Oh, just managed to keep that going. Jeez, I don't know what I did there. That was pretty slow, I think. That might be better though, we'll check that time. So that's a little bit better, 34.781. So yeah, it's not too bad, but it's still, yeah, I just can't leave it like that, because someone's like just been that close. Someone's just going to get a better time than that. Even though there's only a couple of hours of cash jam left, I think there's about 4 hours actually. Maybe 5 hours, but yeah, it's just not worth the risk. I really just got to get a nice time. Oh, here we go. Get that scrub nice. See if we can nail this scrub here. There we go. Get this one. There we go. That was a bit better. Oh my god, what am I doing? Why do I keep doing that? I just keep trying to scrub everything and it's just not working. Just keep kind of messing up that last section. Yeah, so that wasn't an improvement, so we'll keep going. You guys are probably thinking I'm stupid because I'm first. Like, why wouldn't you just leave it? But if I left it, guys, it's almost certain someone's just going to beat me, because it's just... There's always them fast guys that come at the end and surprise you. That's basically what I do, but still. Right, if we can do something here, this would be nice. Oh, look at that. And then we just case it. Why not? Take the whole stupid line that you don't want to get. Let off a little bit there, just so we don't overjump that. Probably actually let off way too much, but keep going. Somehow messed it up again. I really hope they don't reset these tracks though, because yeah, I really hope that I can win that $60 on this one. There we go, nice scrub. Really should have let off there, lost a bit of time. This could be a solid time though. See if this was an improvement, might be. Alright, so that was a bit more of an improvement. That was 34.586, so pretty solid time, but yeah, I don't know if someone's going to beat that, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated, and if someone does beat that, I'll add the video onto this one, just add them both together. But yeah, if they don't, thanks heaps for watching, guys. Please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, so catch you guys in the next vid. Cheers.